This is the 2020 P-Series Quantum X. This is now available in up to an 85-inch. If you're looking for that ultimate home theater experience and you want to go with the TV, we have new brightness levels, so you're going to get really incredible brights, and that's going to really help with HDR. Now, the other great thing about this is we have a huge number of local dimming zones, and with that, you can get these really great blacks, and so you get kind of that best of both worlds. This is a good step up from the P-Series we looked at and from the M-Series, so definitely check out those other videos. This is the pinnacle of the Vizio TVs for 2020, and if you're able to step up to that in terms of price, this has that iQOO Ultra processor that can handle that automatic game mode, that variable refresh rate, AMD FreeSync, so that when you're playing games on an Xbox One X or PS4, you're going to get the ultimate experience, and it's going to even know when you switch from gaming to streaming on that device because of information that's sent right to the TV. And with that, you're going to be able to get that ultimate experience no matter what content you're doing without manually switching things around. And that's something that I like, especially if you're going to be sharing this TV across a variety of people in your house. If you're looking at getting a new TV in 2020, leave us a comment down below and let us know what you're looking for, what excites you most about the P-Series Quantum X. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.